Real quick, I had to. I can't just sit here and not vlog. I be getting mad as fuck when I can't vlog. But yeah, usually. Oh, Maya asked. She wanted a piece of it. So yeah, how much did it cost? Huh?
Well, who money?
Hers. She said how much it cost her.
If you want an extra large from Domino's, it costs at least about $20.
I said $20 mine for Domino's.
For an extra large. Nah, I got a large the last time. It came to me and I paid what?
Damn, it was like bright as hell.
Like 27.
Ooh.
But like if you want dessert, you'll hear like a little baby.
Yeah, wee.
What?
Itchy.
Got a boy.
Got a pink power in the pink power in the Cowboys wool.
Why say my God?
Yeah. You too.
Babe.
I don't know what I'm about to do in a minute. I want to do some. I'm like gonna monkey at. Fuck it.
You seem irritated.
I'm about to do something.
You seem irritated. What's wrong?
What's up? What's what? It's a nice what's what? Big belly. Yeah, big belly.
I had the phone for a long time.
Yeah, big belly. Yeah, big belly. Yeah, big belly.
Niggas annoying.
Yeah, what's
I got off the phone like 30 minutes ago.
I know you've been going for a while. What happened?
Got off the phone like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was extra clean.
I didn't quit. Fast scratcher, hurt her. My bad guy.
What's wrong, right?
But yeah, y'all. But my brother on the phone. I got down. What Tyler? Who you talk to, Tyler? I was Tyler. But you guys stay tuned. I don't know. I ain't going outside though. I don't know. If I do, probably record a little bit with her and show y'all what she be doing. Low key. You know, it's called a day. I'm so tall. Let's record like this. Kush. I quit though. But y'all see it though, man. You know, in the house chilling Saturday. Not too much going on for real. Everybody just really just chilling. It's sunny outside and it's cold. Well, it's not cold. I think, but Kara's probably freezing because her paws. But I might listen to music. You know what I'm saying? I might listen to some fucking music. You know what I'm saying? At least do something. God damn it. Woo. You feel me? Yeah. But y'all go and get going, man. You guys take care. Peace and love. I'll see you guys later on. It's around the vlog right now as we speak. Around the vlog. And then, I don't know what's next after that. Then, I don't know. After that, then I just don't fucking know. You hear? Need some water though. It's gonna be dehydrated soon. Some water. It's gonna be dehydrated. Good waters. I'm not gonna monkey at. That's what I'm gonna monkey. I was thinking about doing monkey today. I'm gonna do it on Monday. Fuck. Couldn't do that time, but it's all good. But y'all guys too. I'm out of here, man. Yeah. What up, YouTube? I'm not gonna get copyrighted. We ain't getting copyrighted. We good. I'm gonna check out y'all. It's a new vlog, man. Make sure y'all tap it on Twitch. Make sure y'all tap it to the kick. Yeah. I gotta pick her up every time, yo. So spoiled. Alright, come on. Come on, guy. Look, y'all. It's snowing outside. It's snowing, y'all. Literally snowing. It's literally a beautiful day. Look, I'm playing. It's a beautiful day, man. I love snow. You love snow too, Kyra? I love snow too. It's my favorite. You know, it's my favorite. Alright, go ahead. Alright. Come on. Go. Come on. Let's go to the snow. Okay, come on. Come on, bro. Okay, alright then, that's on you. Alright, you won't go bad for me, that's on you. I might come back out here after that. So we're working on. Come on. There's many people with the dog up here right now. Go to the bathroom. You ain't gotta stay outside. You ain't gotta stay all the way outside. You just gotta go to the bathroom. That's all. I got it, I mean, but you up in there and listen to music, y'all, all day long. Literally all day. Literally listen to music all day. But it is what it is, I mean. I'm outside right now, chilling. I was thinking about not vlogging. I'm vlogging now. You know what I'm saying? Get a few cat girls. You know? Yeah. Woo. You good? Are you wanna go back in the house? All right, come on. Oh, no. Oh, she with it. Oh, Carol with it, y'all. But, you know, it's Sunday. It's quiet. It's a quiet day. You know what I mean? Really quiet day. Ain't too much going on. Come on. Too much going on. We just literally just been chilling, listening to music all day today. All right, come on. Mom right there. What's your lady right there? All right, come on. All right, come on. Kai, come on. All right, let's go. Be careful. Watch your paws. All right. Go ahead. Huh? You ain't trying to find us. I don't know. No, you gotta swipe up. You gotta go look at the... Cat, you good? You want to go outside? Be careful. Yeah, got in the house, man. I'm consistent with this vlog shit. I'm very consistent. I just gotta figure it out. That's all. How to plan and shit. Kai, you wanna go follow my mom. But that is what it is. I'm about to turn it off, see y'all later on. Or whatever. I didn't know I can record back in the music. I didn't know that. Come on. I didn't record all this because I didn't really want to. But somebody had told me to record. I'm like, man, I gotta carry on the phone. I don't care on the phone. I don't care. I don't want you trying to come to me like for attention. You know. But yeah, bro, like I said, man, so I just love it. I had to record, man. I love what I do. I mean, I really sat down and thought about it. I'm like, bro, you know, I ain't recording, man. I record all that in. So someone was telling me to record, you know what I'm saying? And I'm usually on point with that shit. I'm like, yo, I got y'all, like, you know what I mean? You know, my man not be on content one day, but for sure, the second day gonna be content, like shit like that. You know what I mean? I ain't outside, you know that. I ain't that shit, you know what I mean? But I got a lot of intros, you know what I mean? Got a lot of everything going on for my second channel. I got two channels, bro. I got a main channel. I'm trying to do on my start on content with females and all that, you know what I mean? So just know that. You can get real. But at the end of the day, so. Where the nipple at? Yeah, she next. Where the other nipple at? What up, you? Two. I'm popping. What are crazy? I guess they knuckleheads. Ball wolves, Ball wolves, Cat girls, come on. Go back outside. I'm going back out. Let's go. I ain't finished the mission. I'm playing. She can probably stay in the house. Fuck it. But, yeah, I guess. Can I just stay in the house then? But yeah, I guess, y'all. I mean, my content, it is what it is. You know what I mean? I don't know. Like, y'all gotta think. I'm not gonna be outside and chasing females down and shit. I ain't gonna just do that. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Tyra, here it goes right here. I ain't gonna do that at all. Right there. It should be.
Fuck that shit.
Should be right here. Oh yeah. Alright.
But I gotta walk into my YouTube real quick.
No, here.
I gotta post a video. Hold on.
Here. You can stay on the phone. You don't have to do all that. Just log in. Here. Where's yours?
Y'all good?
Here's right here. Yo, yours is down here.
You about to fight a bitch?
All right, Twin Brothers. And put it on your phone. It's Twin Brothers 2024. But yeah, that's it, man. That's that phone. I said that's that phone. That's that tune, man. And my brother. I'm saying I had to have my brother real quick. You should clear as hell. Hold on, back. It should be.
Wait.
Because it should be Twin Brothers 2024, right? Did you want to look on? That's one.
I can log it.
Cause I don't know you. What's your YouTube? Go to your what's your YouTube?
I can't.
Oh, you want to? Alright, try it.
So it's that ad account?
Yeah, add a comment. Yeah, and then put the name. It should be. That's the one. That's the one we made, right? Hey, Kyle. Hey, Knuckles, woo, Knucklehead, woo. Y'all like you don't want to do nothing today. Unproductive rules, woo. You're a G1. Y'all like a G1 today. Could be G7 or G90.
It says couldn't find your account. Oh, that's the iCloud. What's it?
Yeah, it's Gmail.com. Alright, put Twitch 125 underscore. Capital T. Oh yeah, you need a SIM card. I gotta do it too. Yeah, your YouTube tarnish. Told you when you get a new phone, it does that shit.
Use your phone.
I can't use mine.
Scan. Let me see you.
Huh?
Scan off your phone.
Alright.
Hold on, y'all.
Let's say something. Hold on.
Oh my
God. Let me know. Oh my God. What up, Kaka?
So you ain't got kids, I'm about to give you triplets. That's all a whole lot. Shut up. I'm done this fuck. I realize not the fuck out of you, bitch. Shit cloudy. That's the first look.
Hey, you too, Carrot. But yeah, man, there's some music out there that ain't been done for you. I just gotta stay tuned when we do get. I'll get a phone call later on. I don't know. That's gonna work. Cause I'm an asshole ass boyfriend. You know? I don't give a shit.
She says, Jakey, be careful when you get up. I told her whole lot. Shut up. I'm always winning shit. She know I got my bread up.
Carrot like, Dad, what you just do? Yeah.
Bing bong.
Bing
Fuck your life. Fuck your life.
Fuck your life.
Looking good out here, man.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what fucking nut-hugging son of a bitch. Your mother's a whore. Your boy can't even buy your weed. You be safe from abuse. What you out there? Brain you hit the mouth.
Alright.
You're not getting rich off of this.
I'm making food, y'all. I know. We talking about our fucking family and shit, y'all. Like, literally.
It's sad, man.
We talking about shit every day. It's all Saturday. But we got meat, y'all. We got some pork chops. You know what I'm saying? Hey, guy. You got some pork chops. There's woo. There's some meat. About time we got some fucking food. We ain't eating. I feel like we won't eat in 2 days, but.
What she doing on purpose?
Well, I'm gonna say, Tyler, order some food, so this ain't gonna be enough first.
I do it tomorrow.
My brother complaining like he don't get paid that much.
I don't, y'all. And it's like, I'm sorry when we spend money.
They don't want to spend the money and shit, which is true. You ain't supposed to spend the hell of bread. Hold on, let me put this phone down. I'm gonna set your down somewhere. It's too tight in here, y'all. Yeah, my mom's so jealous of us, y'all. I don't know what it is. My brother, like, we live a regular life, but our life ain't regular. Our life is lit, but it can do better. It's because we're in a situation we're in right now. We can't get out of it, bro.
Like,
I'm feeling like fucking family, bro.
Yeah, so it's like jealous. They insecure, don't like.
They don't want to see the Twins win. You know what I mean? But they are trying to say shit that gets tapped in. But when we get tapped in, we on our own tapped in. You feel me? It's different. Slogan and shit. But no, for real, I'm dead ass serious. I ain't gonna be living my life off of them. I'm literally gonna make my life how I wanna make it. I'm gonna tell you guys, they got life. This vlog, mommy touching her and shit. I wash her hands.
She wouldn't have a bag.
Hmm?
She wouldn't have a bag.
I don't be touching her and shit. We wash her hands though. Like, maybe her. What's up, girl? Tired on foot good. You been lazy all day. She's tired, bro. I don't know what's going on. Car can't hang with the big dogs no more. I'm playing. She do. But usually Kyrie be flying her asleep. And the reason I told her before, I said, because my mom make her lazy. I letting her fall asleep all day. That shit bad. That shit installs bad toxicity in a dog's fucking routine. Like, I don't like that. And I told Kyrie, don't be doing that, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Don't become late.
I don't care. Yeah, don't become late because of
I said you land around all summertime. Like,
yeah.
last summertime, she would take you outside. You know,
Look, cut gross. At all. Literally. But y'all say it too, man.
Maybe.
Remember, brush my teeth, y'all. Say chat, say word. Say chat, say word. Look at the tune. Yeah. Right back. Yeah, I wasn't asleep. I was there, yeah.
Deadpool.
Yeah, actually cool, okay. I was looking down like, what the fuck? What the fuck? I'm about to brush my teeth, chap. I'm saying, brush my teeth. Like, yeah. And then back. Stay tuned, man. And yeah, we're going. Talking about that Selena. And now she everything. Fuck up a Paquika. Probably with a new ring. Probably with a new face. Probably with a papa. Probably with a toolkit. A wristwatch. Ooh. Yeah. Feeling cook a lot. Nigga cook lane. Lane crazy. Lane with a lane pop. Cause it was a ooh-wop. That shit hurt. Oh, fuck. That shit hurt. What's up, y'all? Damn. Like outside, man. Just a snowy day. You know, go outside, pick your old girl up real quick. She ain't got enough. She ain't going to work no more. Not that crazy, but. Yeah, we here, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all. Yeah, right. See what want to do. Oh, it's not going to What kind of rules? Rule, come on.
I'm not saying, like I said, I'm not standing
Come on, let's go, baby. Let's go. You come with me. You thought you was chilling? I don't know. Let's go. You thought you was chilling, Kat? No, you're not. Come on. This old girl, man. I don't want to get up. Y'all was up all night, bro. On TikTok. On TikTok. Shit. I was on TikTok, y'all. All night. I'm gonna get back on that shit. Viral. Make sure I tap in. What are you saying? Crazy. Oh. Like, what are you saying? This is advanced. Push it forward. Push it advanced and need support. Kai, come on. I don't care which one feel like it. Let's go. I feel like it too. She can't remember. She got up in the middle of the night. So she had thoughts and shit.
She probably did.
No, no.
She be, yeah.
I know. It'd be her. Yeah, that'd be you. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I be telling you who you're in your food, Kaka. Eat your own food, bro.
Bob was coming to get me out front.
This little girl, man. Like, this little girl annoying, like, bro. Word to bro. One more, y'all. Let me see y'all.
To say, man, if they're like, know that they can really get through them.
Yeah.
Everybody.
You see the camera, Kyle? I know. You see the camera, cool. Come on, girls. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. We got at least 10 minutes now. No, if I'm counting right now, then I sit down and you get up. That's what you gonna do. You gonna play this little waiting game. I'm not playing with it. Either you're out with me or you're in. We ain't doing this. You know your job, Kyle. You gotta deal with the snow. I ain't gotta go to bed. You do.
Look at
It's-
she's looking like, are you done yet?
Oh, okay. Let's go. Kara,
Kara, I can imagine how you feel right now.
it's to a point now, Kara. No, this is what I'm gonna tell you. Either look at that. It's a truck that you want to chase. You know you want to chase the buses. You know you get some exercise. What you want to? Okay, all right, whatever. I'm about to sit down there, okay? I'm going in the kitchen. Or you let me know when you want to do what you do. Damn, man. Like, I never got done with do with like, bro, it never works. Kara, let's go. Huh? Oh shit. She was supposed to outside. No, I've been up all night. She was supposed. Kara was going to. She went to the door last night, but she seen it was snowing and she didn't want to go.
Hell no, that's all she needs.
It was like 3 o'clock in the morning. She came out to me. I was in the kitchen and she walked to me and went to the door and she sat there. Then I'm like, all right, let's go. Put her shit on. Then she didn't want to walk on. I'm like, all right, Kara, that's what I'm saying. Like, you don't want to be scared of snow for no reason. You should be outside in the snow. It'll kill. Now you don't like it. I don't care. Yeah, you used to run around the house and shit outside. Okay, yeah, I know. When you're a baby, to play in the snow.
That's the difference. I'm not a baby
No,
anymore.
she just got her ways. Anybody know goddamn baby? You just got her stupid little ways you gotta deal with. Let's go. Kyle was tsunami. Kyle was woo. Kyle pink belt, yellow belt, white belt, martial arts, jiu-jitsu. Kickboxing, Kyle was power pink power. Kyle was woo. Too long. All right. So like, nigga, dad, you don't want to leave my ass alone. But all right, I'm gonna go mind my business. But yeah, y'all. I tried. I'm about to get back on TikTok, mess with some girls and shit. You know, do what I do. Kyle don't want to go. So you gotta let me know what you want to do. What you do. But at the end of the day, for right now, you know. I might make an intro. I might make an intro. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta do some. I might do like 2 more intros. Ouch, keep trying to scrap, bro. That was wrong too. That's why. But I'm gonna make a new intro. You know what I'm saying? That's about it. That's about it. You know, put some music today. chill. Nice, beautiful day. It's dark as hell. It's nice. It's actually white now. You can see outside. Yesterday it was dark as shit. Gloom bomb and gloomy and Lewis. That was so gloomy. But now it's light. I mean, it's getting sunny out there now. Like a light, yeah, like a light, like a go light, like a go light. Yeah. Time me to be inspired. Why you do this weight game? It's cold, bro. Do this, bro. Stop trying to control everything. Stop. Bro, do what you gotta do. Don't be doing that, bro. Tyler, Twitch. Make sure I can tell you Twitch. That's why I ain't gonna record too much. Too cold, but I got her outside. You know what I'm saying? Stop it, please. Act right. When we doing that, man. Come on. Where am I going, bro? My yard. It's so weird. Like, hey, you want to go outside? Oh, Jesus, bro. You cause me problems and shit trying to control every fucking thing. No, go outside and go to the bathroom. That's what you out here for. Either or, Mom. I'm not going. You stay ass in here. That's when you. But yeah, I'm back. She never works, bro. I swear to God, never fucking works. Because the way she is, bro. She doing everything her way with every fucking thing she does. But every time she wants to go to the bathroom, bro. I don't come out here for the people. Come out for you. God damn it. Fuck. But yeah. Oh, so no. You know. I know. Huh? Everybody like, I eat too much. Like fuck it, but no, we got a whole vlog right now, and she wants to do everything her way possible. Whatever she does her way is her way. I hate it because at the end of the day it's like why it's not cool, bro. You know what I'm saying? Even with females, the same shit. Like the fuck bullying me for, you know, like damn, like, I can't be protected, bro. I took her. All right, bro. All right, you know what? You don't even come outside then. That's the case. Damn, I'm out of there, man. Back in the cabin, let's go. No, man, I had another phone. I can use my other phone for business, and I can use my phone personal. I need two phones, bro. I'm gonna get, everybody, what y'all think? Everybody who's been content getting two phones, bro. Or like two cameras and shit. Just because, bro, like, I just have everybody in my phone, my cousin. They gotta pay 2 phone bills, I think. No, you don't. Yes, he does. You know my brother do it, bro. I'll do that shit tomorrow for sure. Really? Little boy. I don't want to get copyrighted, but I know what it is, man. I know me. I get my guy today so bad, bro. I cannot show some clip. I'm kicking shit. I'm gonna do that. City, you know what I'm saying? Record that shit and get that shit done for y'all, for sure. What do I do, man? I promise you, I'm getting on. I got y'all. Here we go. Come on, let's kill some light. Come on. Come on. Me and you. Come on. Kara. Don't take me outside with him. Kara, you should have been outside. It's cold. Wait, you gotta want to go to the bathroom. I don't know how to go to the bathroom. Y'all challenge for like chilling with me. Chill shit. Like, you hear me? But yeah, I ain't doing much. I'm trying to get outside. Come on, you know what? This shit, y'all. Can't go bathroom now. He's waiting to clear out. My bad, child. Now she's getting heavy. I gotta start off and scratch your face up. Don't be doing that, Kara. I'm doing it. All right, come on. Don't be calling your stuff. You know, it's cold. Yeah, I ain't going down now. That's what I'm saying, y'all. I love coming outside. Like, the camera that much. Bro, it's like, you gotta pick up the camera, bro. Like, shit be going on each and every day. It's a lot of stuff goes on. Like, say an argument or something happening or a fight goes down. Nobody ain't recording that shit, bro. Shit, I am. You gotta be tough, bro. Let's go on. I ain't that cold. Come on, be like that. Bro, I told her what she gonna do though. I say, told her exactly what she gonna do. It's too cold. You walking down that hill. She know that.
Got the little list.
You know, look, Gaga, they and mommy and papa leaving. Fool. Yeah, you're good. Hear me? You're good, baby. Trust me. Not go.
You don't like being with your daddy? You don't like me? That's what you're saying? You don't like being with your daddy, bro?
Now, all people. Mommy, be back. Your ears. Your ears alright? Her ears red as shit. Shit. That's what mom talking about. Your ears. Alright. Here, watch out. You know what I'm saying? This is hard to play music. I can't play music. Like, certain stuff we can't do. I'm not going over here, bro. I'm be bored as shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, certain shit, I just don't what's best, I guess. I'm bored, bro. Like, y'all understand? But, bro, I'm not in college. Kai, come here. You okay? Alright, you must have your ears bothering you. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to play music, but your mom talking about your ears be hurting and shit. Alright, whatever. Red. It's red as shit. Come here. It hurt. Kai, it hurts. Her ears are hurting. Here you go. I can't play music. Her ears bothering her, bro. You can just tell. She's in pain. Feel bad. But the only way I'm gonna get, I'm not gonna get on it and not waste my time on that shit. I want to record and then post it on YouTube and shit. Like, you know what I mean? On a phone type shit version instead of. It is what it is, bro. I'm not gonna do that shit, man. Excuse me on that one. But the powder. Come on. We just got in the house and look at her. She back with me, y'all. I mean, I just told her, like, she's so clingy to my family, bro. To my peoples, man. Nothing wrong. It's just fighting with it, bro. It's like you got tired of shut up sometimes. Whining and away everything. Look at all she doing. You're just whining. Right? So, ain't really nothing too major. Like, I know there's a lot of content out there we can do. Especially, I don't know, the road the way it is now, you gotta be aware of shit. You just can't be, you know what I mean? It cause no problem, no issue to everybody. But hey, yeah. How about you move? Do. How you move? Do. Move. You sidekick. Yeah. Might go pop on the ground for it. Like move. How you do. Ooh. And the reason I'm testing. Oh, man.
And then came back out there and looked through a couple of things I was looking for.
Bro, as we speak, literally. I'm saying just got to a gas station. That type shit like that. I mean, at the gas station and whatnot. And shit. But, that interview, I can see everybody. Everybody and shit for today. Just cause I'm mad I left Kyra. Oh my, like, I don't even bother if I be saying, like, once I leave, I'm the man in the household, like, the only reason I am. It's because, you know, me, that's all it is, I mean. But, I don't know right now. You feel me? Got driving tomorrow. Yeah. That shit right there. Everything, bro. Well, yeah, man. They got some food, huh? They told me they got some food in here. I don't know, I just like, it's weird how people's territory don't say nothing to you. And it's like your harassment. It's not, you never just out there eating with family. It's just simple. I like another job. Makes no sense. Why am I like, what I'm doing? Because I'm recording for some work. Like, what if I do Tori? I'm glad I'm getting Tori. Can't wait, bro. But besides that, bro, you're generation, bro. Like, I've been on YouTube. Like, because your mom know you. It's not about you. You're getting my surroundings. Like, for me, it's the man. It's all I do. You tell me what you say about me, like, bro. I'm human. Sad. First a lot. It's a lot of weird attention that we get. Like young niggas is like, bro, people look at us like we're crazy, bro. But at the end of the day, your kids are doing the same thing we doing. But trying to do them though. But my like why? And all being necessary. You know, something there's something about gaming or anything, but like as soon as a black person do it, it's a problem, bro. Like, bro, what? My life is your life, bro. I don't live the same life you live in. I'm young, bro. Lifespan you, bro. Like, for real. Like, it makes no sense. Like, that shit that bothered me, bro. Like, that shit made me mad annoying, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, bro, because, like, white people do something we do. But I still got no black person, somebody said no white person. So if you're in corner stores and shit, nobody said nothing to no female. As soon as a boy come in and do it, bro, open the camera. Girl doing the same thing, bro. But it's mind blowing. Parts of it. Parts of it. If not, I stay tuned and I need to be writing down my information on my phone. I'm gonna saying. I stay tuned, man. For real. Alright. My life, bro. Got nothing to do with my life. So you want me to go play in the snow? Type shit. But no, I'm alright, man. Pound cake. I already had some cake. You know what I'm saying? Good pound cake. As y'all see. Good pound cake. Like, I should wash my face and shit. I'm breaking out, bro. Bad. Yeah. Soup. Oh yeah, I've been moving, y'all. The more you're up, the more you can be cool, the more you can fly to life. I stay clean, man. glasses. So no. Hey y'all, just got home. Like I already said, I'm on now. Look at her. Now. Nugget. Now. I said now. Come on. Seems some familiar faces, like always. Like we always do. See some familiar faces. Tight shit. Tight shit. But yeah, man. Had dirty, but it's nothing nasty. Yeah. It was so easy. I was the one asking that questions. Yeah, Honda. Yeah, Honda though. You dig? From Falanda though. In the morning. Cause I don't sleep. I was on the phone with my girlfriend and shit. I don't sleep. Get your asses up, yeah. But yeah. That shit. But yeah, y'all. Down. Bullshit. You know what I mean? Had some. You gonna AR hire me on the spot, mom. They're hiring me. So I'll be on her shift, third shift. And I don't do much but the flooring shit with the machines. And every floors and shit. And like,
You probably drive a machine.
yeah, that's what I'm doing. The machines.
And you probably like that. And you already know the builder.
I said, oh, they said I ain't gotta do bathroom. I asked, I gotta do bathroom because I remember you doing bathroom. I was wondering I asked, but she said no, don't do bathroom shit.
So you got a good shift.
Easy shit. From 12, I start from 11 to 7 in the morning. Easy. I ain't sleeping, I'm gonna be up. So I'm gonna fight, I'm gonna get some energy drinks and shit. Fight my ass up. Fight my sleep. It's cold.
It's hell.
It's cold as shit. Alright. Okay, come on, let's go. Y'all stay tuned, man. I vlog the whole shit, you heard? Type shit. I'm in the crib now. You know what I'm saying?
And how are you? Good.
I just got chilling. Been all day up, man. Listen to music, man. I came from my interview, like I said. I had a good day today, man. You know what I'm saying? Successful day. Something I already done. When like shit like that, bro, matters, bro. So I told him this shit, so let me go. So I was like, before I get it, cause I ain't go. I mean, this type shit. So I went. I showed up. You know what I'm saying? I'm always showing up. That's what I do, man. Just show up to them. Just show up. Take job, man. That's all you gotta do, man. Just show up, bro. For sure. I mean, that's all you gotta do, real. First thing I ever did my life, shut the fuck up, bro. Like, tell me, you gotta think like. Actually, I could have vlogged this shit, bro. Damn, I could have. It didn't happen, but it is. Like, you can't. Whatever come next, whatever come next. It's a full week vlog. Music, y'all. Chilling, you know what I mean? Do what we do, it's your last vlog. Alright, sure, I should show. It's okay, come outside, go to the bathroom. That's all. Never in there, I'm out. I'm saying, I'm saying literally. Like, go follow him. You're following shit, bro. But you know what I mean? I want to seem like we just found everywhere. You know what I mean? I was even trying to get there close so she can get to the dog. What's going on? Feel me? Yeah. I'm gonna call my girl and shit. Which one? To be honest with you, I don't even know. Cause sometimes Kyra has her days. This little girl, bro. Yeah, it's so cold. Cold as shit. The cold bunny. What? You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, bunny. Ooh. Take a shower. I don't want to go. You don't know, but you know what I'm saying? You outside. I literally don't even mind it. Look at me. I don't mind at all. I love what I do. I love doing YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Especially I can just record over and over again. Probably not holding the camera so much. Just try to make shit clip by clip by clip. That's some shit I just, I didn't want to. It was so cold. I didn't even think nothing about it. But, yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. If it's show. Finish it. No? All right, come on. All right, come on. Right there. The door's literally right there. I got you. I told you got frostbite. It's too late. I know you try. Kyra's tough. That's one thing about her. My dog is tough. She don't care how cold it is. Try to get down there fast enough so you can go to the bathroom. But it is what it is. Okay. No, there ain't no more. No way. How much more I'm about to get frostbite? All right, come on. Good girl. I'm proud of you. I know it's cold. Good girl. Good. You good. Proud of you. At least you went outside.
Follow the Kit TV. I'm live right now.
So fucking cold. Oh Jesus. It ain't like cold for me, but it's only for Kara because she's running real quick. But I told her I ain't picking her up though, cause she's too heavy now. I'm not picking her up. Fuck me. My homebody for real. I don't be outside in the streets like that. Not right now for summertime. I'm not gonna edit the video to right now till next week probably? No, they're together. You heard me? Real. But I'm out of there, man. I gotta take care of the peace and love, man. One of the only shit. Carry my brother back on YouTube, by the way. So, yep. But hey, you know what? We got wieners. Okay, I got wieners. Take care. Child, we got hot dogs, yo. We got hot dogs, yo. Kara, go your good looking, yo. Oh, we got hot dogs, yo. Okay, here. Man, chop. Hot dogs, yeah. Man. Whoa. She can go, man. Let's take it. Good. Yeah. That's it, man. Good. Yeah. Busting. Bro. This is busting, bro. Martha, bro. Come on. Act right. Act right. Lord Jesus, bro. Go, y'all. Kind of barking. Look how you doing, go. That's what I'm saying. It's so hard to get. Oh, hat off, let the hood off. You know what I mean? Let me go on like. Bro. Take it, come on. Oh. There you go. Stand right there, that guy. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Girl, good girl. Lots of excitement going on today. Do y'all? Yes, I got no more. Maybe I'll do it one now.
I got nothing for you, friend.
Sit. Good girl. Oh, she's so sweet.
So
I miss my dog.
spoiled,
Oh, you know what? I see. Oh, these ones from Chewy, but I don't know if it even made it to my mailbox, but we'll just kind of have to keep an eye out. I try. See ya.
I kept doing them off. Cause I fell asleep about 4. Like, bro, I need to go.
Don't even tell me. It's so loud. When she barked, hurt my ears. I'm like, my dad, that shit about you, and you don't own up to it. You don't own up to it. You want to break your trust.
Nah, but I'm telling mom, like, I ain't get paid now.
Girl, hey, you're okay, Cal, what's wrong? Okay, it's okay, what's wrong?
$18 per month, plus free health insurance.
Thanks, they still with the bullshit. They don't even, they do got cats.
Yeah, no, it's a cat that was feeding.
That's what I was telling them about it.
She's brown.
Yeah,
Yo.
Yeah, I don't know what Madison give her. You gotta buy a pet lamp. Or, I mean, she asked for me to give her one, but.
They got the medicine for that. I got it right there in the closet. I took her in for.
I'm late, bro.
What you made?
Why I made some?
You bark, you should be echoing in my ear.
okay.
Kyle, yeah. Like, when she barks, that shit hurt my ears. It's not me. I agree. My brother got. It's not true. I don't get none of that shit, bro. Water in one day. I mean, every morning. So I'm cool. Once I drink full water, like right here. Look. That's it. Literally. That's all I really do. Fill up. Just like this. Kick the door down.
Like this week cause I'm trying to stay to cause of summer. Like,
This shit done. Full short. You tired?
They be having me doing too.
I can't stand until I get up because I know you put me get you up early and shit. Jesus, disrespectful. Tight shit. Oh man, it's so loud. Lord Jesus. Yeah. Kyrie, you so spoiled, bro. You really so spoiled. Hey. Miss Tammy gave her some treats. And Kyrie's so spoiled. So spoiled.
Just spoiled, kid.
You're so spoiled, Wool.
That's spoiled.
You itchy, huh? You gotta start eating our food. I think that's what it is, bothering our food. She got back to healthy, yeah. That's probably what it is. You're being bad toxic food, Kara. You're being so spoiled. You're spoiled, but that's how spoiled was.
Kara, you getting thick.
You're thick.
You gotta get thick.
It's Kara. On YouTube, I really do. Cause I was like, yo, this content is really about us, and it's all about us for real. So people, I'm gonna follow you on camera now. I'm gonna record you. I'm gonna record you anyway. It's 2025. Everybody's recording everyone. Plus, me and my brother still on YouTube. And plus, I recorded like casino yesterday. It is what it is. But I'm gonna get going, man. I'm gonna cut the camera though. I'm gonna chill real quick. I'm not gonna phone me, Tyler. Tyler, we know ain't hang up and phone with me. I'm like, bro, my phone had died. What you want? Word to bro. Like, word to bro. Word to. Oh my soul. You know, Christelle started that shit. He started that shit. And everybody just ran with it.
Yeah, bro, like suck this stuff.
What y'all say to him, man? I like the camera like this. Hey. Peanut butter jelly with baseball. Alright, don't make me fall now. Cat, be careful. It matters, like, you know what I'm saying? It really do matters, bro. I mean, especially like in today's world, bro, we live in, bro. It's like that shit bothers. Like sometimes I be wondering all the time, me being a homebody. Like, I don't go to clubs, I don't go to parties, I don't do none of that, bro. I vlog, you know what I mean? I can't even talk right. She got me out here and it's cold, bro. And it's like something that be I don't know, bro. Stop. You doing like one over there, bro? I'm just not, but other better, man, for sure. What's got in there, bro? It's so hard, bro. Walking her outside, bro. Can't handle with y'all shit. Like, you do that shit when your time is warm, bro. But right now it's cold as fuck, bro. Usually I don't want to say nothing to her, bro. No. She said, yeah. Since my dad got no control me, I could use him. Like, you feel me? I could walk on water. Like, you feel me? Like, I'm chilling for her, man. Like I was telling y'all, homebody shit, bro. I'm a homebody. I don't give a fuck. I don't like being outside around people. I hate being around people anyway. Till I get a girlfriend and shit. If I be saying girls be, I don't even want niggas around me have friends. I don't do that. Friends shit. It is what it is. I'm in the house now. Kara can leave me the fuck alone. Could bother me. Walk around outside. That's a good girl. She's so fucking spoiled. But yeah, that is what it is. I'm out here, man. You guys take care. Shit, my hands. Come here. Look at you. Look at her. What? I don't care. I'm gonna touch y'all. Get her. Get her. No. I was spoke on the camera, bro. That's some foggy as shit. But
Hello, world.
I got duck on the fucking shit. Yo. And Kara's in there. That's hers. Guess who wants to eat everything? This one.
Well, guess what?
That's her. Ain't got nothing to do with us. It is what it is. She alright. Kara's good. Kara, she gotta learn the hard way. My phone, I hate it. And they give me a me time. Goddamn. But I'm good now. Had to hurry up because she kept going down. Answer the phone. No.
So that I would do that direction because he knows how to get there. Y'all got one bus will take you downtown right away.
Yeah, ask me. What's your job experiences? I said. No, I said that, but they talk about this little girl's okay. She's out there punking people down and shit. People's dogs are fucking with them. This girl's alright.
And that's why I asked her to the co-parent and medicine they got to call me back.
Got the store with a cut. Yeah. Mom's in the store, was who? Heard? Mom's in the store. Record, it was so fucking cold. It was like freezing like a motherfucker. Like literally freezing, bro. I like it like this. It's lit. Guys, annoying me, kind. Mom's in the store. Hear me, bro. For real. Yeah, Keka. Yeah. Call. What it is, what it is, man. I had fun with it. I enjoyed it. Like, the only thing, no problem is shit. That's what it. I'm out here. I be trying to tell the car, I'm like, bro, that's not on point. You know what I'm saying? You know what you. That's why you got guard dog, bro. But yeah, man, today been a lit day. I've been on the phone here and there. We've been chilling. So that's how it goes. But yeah, y'all, I'm tired of wearing black. I buy my own clothes and start hopping on pink. I got it. It's lit. I'm in the store with it. Type shit. What like, damn. Chilling. Everybody was chilling. But now we're going walking down the hill. I ain't recorded, bro. I'm like, God, you should get a trophy, bro, for being outside so long, bro. Tough with it, bro. Literally, because I'm tough with it. But it is what it is. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get going. Oh, you gonna eat it? Yeah. What's good? What's up? I won't blame you. Something, goddammit. But yeah, we're in the house chilling. We went for Tyree now. That shit, it got. What you about to make, Mom?
A rice.
Beef. Tyree wants a roast too? Eugene want wing? I'm playing. Eugene 8. I know the mom, man. Chilling for real. How you doing for real? Better not touch this shit. I said, better not touch this. No, they're clean. You want me to wash them? The light too bright. Yeah. Look, y'all. Yeah, she on food. Look, that's on food, yo. That girls. Look at her. Get me in there. She like, Dad, give me some. Look. Some fries?
Well, that's some fries right there. No.
Okay, well, it's new. That's some. You see, y'all. Hell no. I don't see. I ain't up, man. Bro came in, I stay up. And people don't give me the respect. I'm talking about, yeah, Tyler, you never sleep, man. I don't take more naps here than I need, but just stay tuned, man. For real. Yeah.